Is that a motherfucking Supra? Is that a Supra? What it is today, I'm going to be putting together my very first Lego car. Here we have the Toyota GR Supra. Super excited to get into this. I'm not going to do an unboxing. I'm going to just get right into the video and we will see how this thing goes. Let's go.
Splice Originals.
Oops. Quality. And here we have the finished product. Is it not gas? Is it not gas? The wheels are interchangeable too, which is pretty sick, but I went with this style because I like the traditional style of wheels. Got my little guy, got my little man, wild man Larry in there, getting busy. If you guys like this, I will probably do more like this in the future, always hit the like and subscribe button. That way you can stay up to date with every single video I upload. And I'll see you in the next one. Stay black.